Hi, it's Victoria Coyne from Victoria Gardens talking about fall in the shade, which is really one of the biggest challenges if you have a shade garden. There's not a lot going on in the shade. All those lovely bleeding hearts and coral bells and all the wonderful things that happen in the shade in the spring are all done, though they're not. So speaking of coral bells, these foliage coral bells just look better and better as the season goes on. This one is silver scrolls. I think this might be watermelon. Yep, carnival watermelon. Really, what fabulous colors to complement the tree leaves as they change. This is Simicifuga. This is going to open with these little pearly white flowers. But even right now, this foliage and these flower unopened are really fabulous. This is monkshood. So the Simicifuga and the monkshood and the plumbago here are all very deer resistant. I don't consider the coral bells deer resistant. Monkshood, highly poisonous, will come up with a really bright royal blue flower in October. They're just budded now, but that royal blue is shocking when the trees are orange, rust, and yellow. And then the plumbago, another wonderful blue ground cover. This happens in September, and then this will go red, so it really puts on its own fall color as well. Beautiful combination for the fall, for the shade.